Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. This is episode 156 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to be talking about watering right now or how to conserve water and my couple of things I do, but one of them for sure I'm going to show you right now in the video. One of which is layering mulch on top of your soil. But I have a lot of videos about these type of things over the years, 6 years now on YouTube. I'll try to link up some videos in this video now, here or here on the card. On the info card, as many as I can. But let me show you something really quick right now. Let me flip the camera around. I'm going to show you my water bill. And you're going to see that the last month's average household use is $18,269. Your use is $16,306. I have a family of 4. Washer, dryer, well, that doesn't use water, but the dishwasher, showers, etc. 85 fruit trees, a whole, you name it, grass in the front and back. How in the world, and no way is the average citizen in my city have as much fruit trees of an average house, let's say a 6,000 square foot house, a lot, 6,000 square foot lot. No way do they have as much plants as I do. How in the world am I using 2,000 less gallons? How? Well, because I'm very stingy with my water and I built my soil. Let me show you one thing I do. Here, my little gnomes. Always to say hello when we come in the house. Let me show you something else I do. This is how much I try to conserve. This is the AC pipe that comes out of the air conditioning. I collect the water. And then I pick up my steel pot, or it's not a Kevlar, but Army steel pot helmet, and I just put it on a plant that needs water. So that's how much I conserve water, is I try to use it everywhere. I try to gain it everywhere I can. Try to think of places where you could save water and things you could do to save water, such as building your soil up. Nice mulch. This is about maybe 6 inches to a foot deep of mulch right here over the years, broken down. All right, everybody. Happy gardening. Let's stay cool, okay? All of California, even on the beach right now in California, I think it's 100 degrees in Southern California. Los Angeles, 106. Where I am, it's going to be 113 next Tuesday. Just stay cool. Try to save as much water as you can. 1 for your bill and 2 for, our community. There's only so much water. Happy gardening, everybody. Bye.